Welcome, my dear student. This is my 20th video lecture of computer programming through C language. The subject code of the paper is 1600302. Dear student, this subject code is given by State Board of Technical Education. I am preparing this video lecture based on State Board of Technical Education syllabus for Polytechnic student. In this video lecture, I am going to talk on constant, literals and precedence. So these are the three basic or most important concepts which we are using in C programming language. So dear student, these three topics belongs from third unit of computer programming through C. The name of the third unit is Introduction to C language. Now I am going to explain these three topics one by one in this video lecture. Content of my today video lecture are: the first content talks about the constant. That means I am going to talk on the constants value in C programming language. Then I am going to explain about the literals, concept of literals in C programming language. Third, I am going to be talk on precedence and associativity. So precedence and associativity, this one of the important concepts in C programming language that helps the programmer to perform the operations. And at last we will see assignment statement in C programming language. So I am going to explain these three topics in this video lecture. I need your patience, I need your concentration towards my video lecture. So first topic of my video lecture is constants. So dear students, constant refer fixed value. Constant refers fixed values. That means the value cannot be changed or altered during its execution. So constant refer the fixed value that the program may not alter during its execution. Once we can assign the value to the variable, that value will be fixed and that value is not going to be altered or changed during its execution. That is called constant. Second point says that these fixed values are also called literals. So these fixed values are also called literals. Please make a note for that. So these fixed values are also known as a literals value. Constant may be of any of the basic data type like integer constant, float constant, character constant or string literal. So as we know that we have four data types in C programming language: int data type, float data type, double data type and char data type. So the same concept I am using here to explain the constant. So here says that third point, constant may be of any of the basic data types like integer data constant, float constant, character constant or string literal. Fourth point says that there are enumeration constant as well. Enumeration constant as well. If you want to define a variable whose value cannot be changed, then we must use a keyword called const. So dear student, const is reserved keyword. Once we can use this keyword, then the value will be not changed or not altered during its execution. So kindly make a note for this. So const keyword is used for reserving the value. For example, I use here const double pi 3.14. So here const, when I use the const, this is the keyword or reserve keyword, we can say that the double value, that is pi as a variable, and double is a data type. So pi value cannot be changed, it will be same throughout the execution, that is 3.14. This is the value. Now literals, the value assigned to each constant variables are referred to as a literals. So जो वैल्यू मैं कांस्टेंट को असाइन करता हूं उसको हम क्या बोलते हैं, लिटरल्स बोलते हैं. यहां पर बताया जा रहा है कि बोथ कांस्टेंट एंड लिटरल्स आर इंटरचेंजेबल. ये क्या कहा जा रहा है, कांस्टेंट और लिटरल्स जो होते हैं जो इंटरचेंजेबल होते हैं, चेंज होते रहते हैं आपस में. फॉर एग्जांपल const int 5 equal to 5. Here const expression, the value 5 is referred to as a constant integer literal. So 5 is referred to as a constant integer literal. Here I used a word const. Here is a reserve keyword, and data type we have a integer, so I used as a value 5. Third point says that literals are hard coded values such as number 5, character A, or string hello world. Fourth point says that numeric literals may be represented in variety of formats. That means numeric literal can be written as a decimal format, hexadecimal format, binary format, a floating point format. So these are the formats through which we are able to be represent the numeric literal in C programming language. Please have a look for this chart. So types of literals available in C programming language with respect to the C++. So integer we have yes, float we have yes, character we have yes, string we have yes, but boolean in C we didn't have the boolean literal data types. Now we are going to see the operator precedent in C programming language. Operator precedence. Operator precedence determine which operator is evaluated first. That means here we are going to see which operator is going to be evaluated first. An expression has more than one operators. For example, if we have a more than one operators in expression, then which operator is going to be evaluated first? That can be decided by the operator precedence. For example, we have this 100 minus 2 multiplied 30. So how this expression will evaluated? So the result is 40. How it's come as a 40? Because if we check the precedence value, multiplication precedent is higher than the subtraction. So 20 multiplied by 30, so result is 60. 60 again minus from 100, then we will get 40. So this is how our operator precedence is working in C programming language. Operator precedent determines the grouping of terms in an expression and decide how an expression is evaluated. We will see this operator precedence more with the help of some example. Now see here, operator precedence in C programming language. So first point says here, operator associativity is used when two operators of same precedent. For example, two operators comes in expression and they have a same precedence, then which one we evaluated first? Then that time we are going to use the concept of associativity, that can be either left to right or right to left. So kindly consider this example here. My dear student, please have a look here. I have expression here. 100 divided by 10 multiplied 10. So which operation is going to be performed first? division or multiplication. So operators associativity said that division having higher associativity compared to the multiplication. So here the first we are going to be perform the division operators. Then 100 is divided by 10, result will become as a 10. So this is the result. Now 10 is multiplied by 10, the final result is 100, right? So this is how our operator precedence is working in C programming language, and this is one of the best example I tried to give you to explain you operator associativity. Please have a look of the other chart. Operator precedence. Again, please consider this expression. So 10 plus 20 multiplied 30. So according to the operator precedence associativity, multiplication having higher precedence than the addition. So multiplication operator will be performed first, then the addition. So here 10 plus 20 multiplied 30, then 20 multiplied 30 will be performed first, then that will become 60, then 60, the result of 20 and 30, 20 multiplied by 30 is 60, and this result is going to be add with 10, and finally it will become as 70 as the final result. I hope it is clear for you. Last point says here, operator precedence determine which operator is performed first in the expression with more than one operator in the different precedence. यानी कि एक एक्सप्रेशन में एक से ज्यादा ऑपरेटर्स अवेलेबल है, तो हम कौन सी ऑपरेटर्स को पहले प्राथमिकता देंगे, इस चीज को हासिल करने के लिए और पढ़ने के लिए, समझने के लिए, डिटरमाइन करने के लिए हम लोग ऑपरेटर प्रेसिडेंस कॉन्सेप्ट को इस्तेमाल करते हैं सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज में. आई होप माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स इट्स क्लियर फॉर यू. Now associativity. So associativity is used when two or more operators of the same precedence is present in an expression. यानी दो और दो से ज्यादा ऑपरेटर्स हमारे एक्सप्रेशन में अवेलेबल है, तो हम एसोसिएटिविटी कॉन्सेप्ट को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फिर से मैं रिपीट कर रहा हूं, दो या दो से ज्यादा ऑपरेटर्स जिसकी प्रेसिडेंस सेम है एक एक्सप्रेशन में, तो हम एसोसिएटिविटी कॉन्सेप्ट को इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल मल्टीप्लिकेशन एंड डिवीजन, ये दोनों अरिथमेटिक ऑपरेटर्स में सेम प्रेसिडेंस प्राप्त करते हैं. जैसे एग्जांपल मैंने लिया इसको, 5 multiplied 2 divided 10, then how it will be work first? So associativity says that we can move from left to right. So left to right means first we are going to be multiplied 5 to 2, then the result of 5 into 2 is going to be divided by 10. So this is how our associativity work in C programming language. यहां पर मैं ये बताना चाह रहा हूं कि अगर हमारा एक्सप्रेशन में दो या दो से ज्यादा ऑपरेटर्स जिसकी प्रेसिडेंस वैल्यू सेम है, तो हम कैसे ऑपरेट करेंगे, कैसे इवैल्यूएट करेंगे. तो वहां पर हम लोग एसोसिएटिविटी कॉन्सेप्ट का इस्तेमाल करते हैं, जिसकी कुछ नियम और रूल्स होती हैं, एंड दैट वर्क्स फ्रॉम लेफ्ट टू राइट और आइदर राइट टू लेफ्ट, जो मैंने एग्जाम्पल के थ्रू यहां पर दिखाने का कोशिश किया है. Now see here again with the help of a chart I am going to explain you how the precedence and associativity is working together. Operator precedence and associatives are two characteristics of the operators, as I told you in the beginning, that determines the evaluation order of सब expression in the absence of bracket. अगर हमारा ब्रैकेट में कोई एक्सप्रेशन को नहीं लिखा गया है और वहां पर ऑपरेटर्स हमारा डिफरेंट ऑपरेटर्स का इस्तेमाल किया गया है जिसकी प्रेसिडेंस कुछ ऑपरेटर्स का सेम है, तो हम कैसे परफॉर्म और कैसे इवैल्यूएट करेंगे? उस केस में हम लोग प्रेसिडेंस एंड एसोसिएटिविटी कॉन्सेप्ट को हम लोग इस्तेमाल करते हैं. फॉर एग्जांपल हियर सी 100 plus 200 divided 10, subtract sign is given 3 multiplied 10. Then which one is going to be performed first? So as per the associativity rule, left to right, first preference going to be give for the division. So associativity give higher precedence to the division. Then it will goes to the multiplication. After division, then precedence will be goes to the higher precedence will be goes to the multiplication. Then it will goes to the addition. Third, it will be goes to the addition. And at last, lower precedence among all is subtraction sign. So last we will perform the subtraction. So see here, 200 divided by 10, the result is 20. So again see here, 3 multiplied by 10, the result is 30. Now again see here, 100 plus 20, it become 120. So 120 minus 30 become 90. So this is how our precedence and associativity is working in C programming language. I hope my dear students it's clear for you. Now assignment statement we will see. Assignment operators are used to assign value to the variable. It is used to assign value to the variable. Second point says that left side operand of the assignment operators is a variable and right side operand of the assignment operator is value. So left side is a variable and right side of the assignment operator it should be a value. Third point says here, the value of the right side must be of the same data type of the variable on the left side, otherwise compiler will give error. That means the data type should be same on the both side, left as well as right side. Assigning the value to the variable using assignment operator is also known as assignment statement in C programming language. So assignment operator is also known as assignment statement. The syntax of the assignment expression is variable equal to constant variable expression. Now with the help of example, I try to give more exposure about the assignment statement in C programming language. See here, B equal to C. That means B is assigned the value of C. A equal to 9. That means A is assigned the value 9. And B equal to C plus 5. That means B is assigned the value expression C plus 5. This is how our assignment operator or statement is working in C programming language. So assignment operators are used to assign the value to the operand. See here some example. For example, the value 10 is going to be assigned the variable sum. So how it will be assigned? Sum equal to 10. There are two categories of the assignment operators in C programming language. What are the two categories? First one is called simple assignment operator. For example, equal sign is the most commonly used assignment operators. And second one is called compound assignment operators. That is, the example is plus equal sign minus equal sign. Like this, it will be goes as the compound assignment operators. I hope, my dear students, it's clear for you. So the assignment operators in C programming language, we have two types: simple assignment, compound assignment. This is summary. I hope by this video lecture you are able to understood the concept of constant, literals, precedence and assignment. So these are the four concepts I covered in this video lecture. I hope, my dear students, you understood all these four concepts. The reference for this video, two books I have given. Kindly go through these two books, and two YouTube links I have given. Just visit this two YouTube link to gain more knowledge and become master in programming in C language. This is reference and it will be helpful for you. Thank you, my dear students. Thank you. We will see in next video lecture.